Three of the most powerful Bible verses that every Christian content creator needs to know. As creators, we're often driven by this passion to share our ideas and inspire others. But did you know that the Bible offers wisdom that can inspire and guide us in our work? From overcoming self-doubt to staying motivated, the scripture has so much to offer. Creating content can be tough, yeah, and you know that, especially when you're just starting out. You might face self-doubt, wondering if your work is good enough or if anyone even cares. Sometimes it seems like it doesn't, but you might feel the pressure to succeed, to constantly produce high-quality content, and to even grow your audience. That's a goal. And on top of that, you might struggle sometimes with burnout, feeling like you're running on empty and can't keep up with the demands of creating. Added to all these challenges is the desire to succeed and jump on trends that might not align with your faith. And of course, this can lead to feelings of pressure and compromise, making it difficult to stay true to your values and create content that is authentic to you. I think we've all been there, kind of feeling like we're not making much of a difference. But here's the game changer. God actually wants to help us with this, and he wants to give us the right words. Check this out. Proverbs 10, it's packed with so much wisdom about how our words can impact others. Proverbs 10:11 says, "The mouth of the righteous is a fountain of life." I want you to think about that image. Think about a fountain of life overflowing with life-giving water. That's what our words can be when we're connected to God, a source of living freshness that people need. Then you have Proverbs 10:20 through 21. It talks about the difference between the words of the righteous and the wicked. Verse 20 says, "The tongue of the righteous is as choice silver." That emphasizes the value and the purity that our words should be when we're speaking. Verse 21 continues it says, "The lips of the righteous nourish many." Now just think about how powerful that is. Our words aren't just for us. They're meant to feed and nourish others. God doesn't want us to have empty words on here or just saying what people want to hear. It's about speaking truth and life. So when you think about all this, what does this mean for us as content creators? It means we don't have to rely on our own wisdom or chase every fleeting trend. We can tap into a source of endless wisdom and inspiration. We can simply ask God to give us the right words to speak. And then he'll give us those words that will truly make a difference in people's lives. And one thing I got to realize, this isn't about becoming a perfect speaker overnight. It's about seeking God's guidance in our creative process. It's about asking him to fill our mouths with words of life, nourishment, and wisdom. When we do that, our content becomes way more than just entertainment or information. It becomes a blessing. So my challenge for you this week is spend some time in Proverbs 10. Just meditate on the verses I gave you and ask God to give you the right words to speak and create. And let's see how he transforms all of our content and the impact we have on the world. I want to thank you so much for checking out the channel, and please subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.